How to add password to Netflix profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add a password to your Netflix profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Adding a password to Netflix profile is very simple. You open up the Netflix application and you can add up to 5 profiles, and let's say you want to lock one of the profiles like this with a pin. To do this, when you're on this little profile page, do not select a profile to log in, but instead tap the edit button that you can see from the top right hand side right from the app. Now from here, just select a profile that you would like to set a password to, then select profile lock, then tap on create profile lock. Now first of all, it will ask you to enter your Netflix account password, so make sure you enter your Netflix account password and tap the enter button. On the next page, it will ask you to simply create a pin, so select the pin that you want to use and that particular profile will get successfully locked. This way you can add a profile on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.